Subscribe now. Sony Xperia XA2 smartphone was launched in January 2018. The phone comes with a 5.20-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. The Sony Xperia XA2 is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Sony Xperia XA2 packs a 23-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Sony Xperia XA2 runs Android 8.0 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 142.00 by 70.00 by 9.70, high text width x thickness, and weigh 171.00 grams. The Sony Xperia XA2 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.